This tutorial will show you how to use medical subject headings, called MeSH, when you search PubMed. Using MeSH helps narrow your search and retrieve more relevant results. As an example, let's say I'm researching whether CT scans are appropriate for diagnosing brain death. This is the results page for a keyword search of CT scan and brain death, which returned over 2,200 articles. That's too many to search through, and I can already tell some of them aren't going to have the information I need. I'm going to use MeSH searching instead. To search with MeSH terms, go to the PubMed homepage and choose the MeSH database link near the bottom right-hand corner. Here, we'll search for one keyword at a time, and I'll start with CT scan. We see that tomography, X-ray computed, the proper non-abbreviated term for CT scan, is at the top of the list. If we click on it, we go to this page that includes a definition, as well as some options called subheadings, entry terms or synonyms, and the MeSH tree. The MeSH tree shows us the broader and narrower concepts related to our MeSH term. In some articles, CT scans might be briefly mentioned, whereas in other articles, CT scans are the main focus. In order to bring back only those articles in which CT scans are the focus, I'm going to select Restrict to MeSH Major Topic. Then I'm going to add to the search builder. Now I'm going to repeat the process to find the MeSH term for my other keyword, brain death, by searching in the top bar here. In this case, it matches exactly to a MeSH term. You'll notice that the search builder still has our previous term so that we can add more. Before we do that, I'm going to add a subheading, which helps focus the search even more. Since I'm particularly interested in diagnosing brain death, I'll choose the diagnosis subheading, thereby excluding the others. To get definitions of subheadings, you can click here. We'll now add that to the search builder, and then search PubMed. As you can see, we've got a much more manageable number of results, and they should be much more relevant to our research. MeSH searching takes practice, so contact the library if you need more help.